Today we are going to be making bird feeders with these. So I've already made one this morning, and it looks like this. So it's got like these hoops on, and then we haven't got any bird seed, so Dad's going to call on his way home to get some bird seed for our bird feeders that we're making. So I'm going to be making them out of cartons. You can make them out of juice cartons, milk cartons, plastic tubs, anything, but like something that the birds would like to eat from.
So Maisie, explain how you're going to do everything, like let the bird eat the seed and stuff like that.
So first I'm going to squirt glue on it, and then I'm going to smooth it out with a paintbrush, and then I'm going to wrap it in paper because the pens don't show up on this, and then it'll show up on the paper because it's drawn paper. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry by the fire. Then we're going to colour it all in, and then Mum is going to cut a rectangle out, and then I'm going to put bird seed in it. But we're not going to show the bird seed, I don't think. We might. I don't know. So,
Sounds good.
Let's get started. Shall we get a piece of paper and put the glue on there and then dip a paintbrush through? Yeah. That's mine. Yeah. We're going to fold it in half so it doesn't go through.
So I think you should put your papers on the floor.
Yes, I did put my papers on.
Good.
We don't want to get all
Glue on.
glue on the table, do we?
Get out!
Oh no.
I think that's enough, Maisie. Kidding. Why are you filming me squirting the glue? Oh. Never mind.
There was a cup.
What? Stop it.
Okay. That's amazing, not mine.
Excuse me? Oh.
Oh. That's that
Are you smoothing every single side?
Might get some paper to do it on.
How are you doing, Georgia?
good.
So look at yours. Just getting started.
Lay out the papers first. We've got to lay out the paper before we turn all the paper around. So, stop. What is she doing?
Cutting the
Okay,
paper.
I'm gonna put paint on our brush.
Wait, how are we going to hold it when we're painting it?
We don't.
Good
hold
point.
it Like this.
How are you going to put the paper on?
You've got to put it on
Roll
going
it.
along, haven't you?
Joy's being very precise with hers.
Okay. I've only done this side.
I'm going to do.
This side?
I think you need some more paint. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm just gonna roll it. What?
So on top of that.
Yeah. Fascinating.
Don't think.
Is it going to
What
plan,
are you
Maisie?
doing?
Yes,
Did you
it
do some
will.
bit stuff? Like that?
You told me to roll it.
Want some glues in here, okay?
Yeah, you put
Let's have a
it
look
on.
at, Jojo, look at yours. So that's how you're supposed to do it, guys. So if you want to make some a bird seed holder, put
Having a
it
party?
a step at a time.
You know.
Not like Maisie's done.
Never
Because
mind.
it'll turn on like that. We don't want that, do we, Maisie?
Yes.
Okay. I think George is the best so far.
What? I've done 2 sides now, and it's looking,
Pretty good, I think.
yeah, pretty good.
George is
I just
still on
need
the first side.
I need to do the rest of the bottom
Not
as
the
well.
first side.
Oh yeah, wait. George has done 1 side.
2 sides.
2 sides. Ooh.
I've done 2 sides as well. So now, me and George are both
I've
on
done this side
the
as well.
3rd side.
Okay.
Look what I've done that.
I might just
That's
do this.
it's quite good actually.
I might just do this.
So guys, we'll catch you when.
I've just
Oh, okay.
done a line down the bottle, and then I'm going to just like smooth it out a bit, and then that's the best way to actually do it, and then just get a piece of paper.
Please, I'm going to on.
There is like a little stash of little bits of paper over here, just in case where they're getting it from.
Yeah. Just if you wanted to know where we're getting it from.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys when you've done the other side, I guess.
I am
Bye.
new.
Guys, I hope you have had a very, very good Easter. And this Easter we've actually done quite a lot of things. We've been in Flake Nation, we've been bowling, and we've been a bouncy castle party, and we've had loads of Easter eggs. We had an Easter egg hunt on Easter, and we've done stuff. And I'm gonna tell you about the bird feeder, what we made earlier.
Maisie, tell the people if they don't know what Inflatination is.
Inflatination is a place where there's where it's like a big inflator, like play area, like
Yeah. Yeah.
If you've been Wacky Warehouse, stuff like that, but
Everything's inflated.
everything's just
Everywhere you look, everything you
is
touch
filled with
is filled with air. It's so good.
air. It's so fun as well. There's big slides as well, and you go down super fast.
Yeah, and I've been down one before.
Yeah. You go very fast, don't they, Georgia?
You go dead fast. Once it burnt my elbow. This is that I got pipe cleaners, made it into a circle, and got 3 more circles, and then put them on. And then we got a piece of yellow string, or any string, or ribbon, or anything. And then we put some on here, and then we tied the top. And then we're going to hang it somewhere outside, like on our chalkboard, on the fence. So birds literally always land on our roof, that bit of the roof, on our fence, anything. We can hang this.
Not really, I don't think.
We can hang this, and then the birds will come and eat it.
Yeah. And this is a good treat for your
It is-
own birds as well, I think. Like a good treat for them.
What if the birds eat the string?
You're not that stupid, Georgia.
It's a super easy craft. Speaking on crafts, this was for Mum, and someone made this.
Very detailed,
It's very detailed.
All them little things inside there. So
I don't know how they did it, but it looked amazing.
How did they even stick them on?
must have patience for
I
that.
know.
No, I bet they rolled away, all of them.
So,
I bet they
What's
kept
it done?
rolling away and rolling and rolling away.
yeah. Guys, our bird feeders are dry. We're going to colour them in now. We've got a whole box of crayons.
So,
We're going to colour them in different colours.
but when we tried to
I'm
write our
so
names on
cool.
them, when we tried to write our names on, the cheat rubbing off. So
Yeah,
we
so-
don't do it.
So we need to write our names back on. So shall we start?
Yeah! I'm going to do a rainbow box. So this is, the top bit's going to be purple, like this bit.
If you've watched the 3 colour marker challenge, you might recognise this pencil. Whoa. But yeah, it's filled. Filled. Okay, so I'm gonna go. If
the paper's bumpy with glue, try to go over it because it's really bumpy when you go over the glue.
Mine isn't bumpy because I put mine really straight, so it's not bumpy or anything. And the first colour I'm going with is red, and it do show up now because it's paper. Mum's actually cut them out now, so now it's going to be easier for us to colour in. Now I can carry on colouring in. And then it's just... There is quite a big opening on it. But, yeah, I'm
The
going to
bit
fill it
might
up to
not
there.
fit in, but
The red will fit. We're going to fill it up to the top so they don't have to actually go in. You can just like peck on it. So we will fit.
paper at the top.
Okay.
No, only these cool.
Yeah, it only needs 3 things. No, that's more. PVA glue, a carton, paper, bird seed, and colours. Guys, if you remember this suit, comment down below on the Flower Bomb video. If you haven't watched the Flower Bomb video, and then you need to watch it. Can you remember this suit? What are you doing? Might be still apple juice and let you know. Well, that's not it.
I wouldn't drink out of it, and that has
Okay,
I'm not kidding.
I finished my first layer, and it looks really nice. This will be so attractive to it. Now I'm just going to put my initials. And
One
color
more
it around
layer,
it.
that's blue. Super.
So, I put my initials on the box. And then I'm just
MJ.
going to like put something there.
You're not Michael Jackson.
I'm going to put these flowers in, then Mum is going to super glue them. But kids, you must not touch super glue. You must get your parents if you're going to use super glue for this project. Shouldn't do it on your own. Okay. Oh, it actually is
It's
quite
my
stable.
turn.
Actually, it's quite stable.
And anyway, look what's happened.
It is
Put a bit more glue
actually
on.
quite still, so I'm not. You might not even need super glue for this because it is actually quite stable on it. Because like you can't.
So it's my
Right.
turn.
It's like stable
That's my
inside.
Oh, so weird.
So you might not have to use it, but it looks nice. I'm gonna put my initials on this side, so everyone knows it's mine. And now I'm just gonna put my name on the back.
What's Georgia?
That's George's. She's coloured all over the box. I'm not going to do that though. I'm just going to colour in that side because that side is going to show the most. So here's mine. I put my initials. And I put my name. You can do any design you want. You don't have to do the same as us because this is just a YouTube video that makes you entertained. So here's mine. Mine's got pretty flowers on it, and it's the colours of the rainbow with an extra colour added in. Colour of the rainbow with 2 extra colours added, 3 extra colours added in. And then on the next side there's MJ, and then some more colours in the middle than MJ. And then at the back is my Maisie Isabel. Okay, George, are you finished? All I've got to do now is fill it with birdseed, put a bit of string on the top, I think, and then hang it outside so the bird can eat it. But we haven't got the birdseed yet because Dad's going to bring it tonight. and we'll film when that happens. So Georgia is nearly finished writing her name on the back. And we've just got one exercise we can like doodle when we want to on it. I have done the bottom. Got an exercise. So George's has 2 flowers and then she's done really pretty colours. And then she's done the lid as well. Oh my gosh. Shut up. And then she's done the lid as well with this bit. And then if you turn it around, there's Georgia James. And then yellow. And then there's some more colours at the back. And then red. And then there's paper in here that Shan coloured in.